Hello, welcome to the M7. Here we bring the best brands for you after research so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we present the 5 best folding exercise bike to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the XTERRA Fitness Folding Exercise Bike. The XTERRA is equipped with a big seat, padded handlebars, and a large padded lower back pad to give you an enjoyable ride. The XTERRA Fitness Bike has 8 levels of manual resistance that can be changed through the tension knob. It is a flywheel construction that has strap foot pedals, and a small LCD window displays speed, distance, time, calories, and pulse. The design of this bike makes it easy to get on and stay on, so you feel good about doing your workouts. And even afterward, it's quiet and durable. And when you're done, we love this bike for those longer workouts. Features: padded lower back pad and large seat for comfort and support. LCD window is easy to read with all the necessary information. Adjustable seat. Moving to the next one of the list. In the second position we have the Exerpeutic Folding Exercise Bike. Get the big benefits. Take a seat on the compact bike that will comfortably support up to 300 pounds and can be adjusted to fit anyone from 5 to 6 inches. The 3-piece crank system is smooth and quiet, so you can enjoy music or watch TV while you work out. The LCD is easy to read. It shows your calories burned, distance, time, speed, pulse, and scan. There are 8 resistance settings, and the bike is easily moved. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty and weighs 39 pounds total. Features: assembly required, easily adjustable, space-saving design. Coming up next, in third place we have the Marcy Upright Exercise Bike. Marcy Folding Exercise Bike has 10 levels of magnetic resistance and has a maximum weight of 330 pounds and a max height of 7 feet. It has a cushioned seat and back support, as well as 3 different positions: upright, semi-stationary, and recumbent. Plus, it has an easy-to-read LCD monitor that also has a tablet holder located on the handlebars so that you can check your email as you spin. Features: premium steel construction, smooth magnetic resistance system, counterbalance pedals. Now moving to the number 4, Funly Exercise Bike. Taking a ride in the safety and convenience of your home is a great way to stay in shape. The Funly bike can be adjusted to fit just about anyone's size and fitness level. The seat has 6 positions, and the bike will support up to 300 pounds. There are 10 levels of tension to give you more control of your workout as well. That's more than any other on this list. The company added a support on the bars and below the LCD, so you can use your phone or pad to enjoy the Kyber Fitness app. It comes with 21 game scenes, helping to make your workout fun. This is great for varied customized workouts. Features: large digital LCD monitor, comfortable and adjustable large seat, space saver and easy to move. In the 5th position we have the Sunny Health and Fitness Folding Exercise Bike. Equally durable and low maintenance, Sunny Health and Fitness present their ultra cushioned folding exercise bike with a smooth belt drive and 3-pound flywheel, supporting 10 levels of adjustable resistance for a powerful upright ride. Switch between 3 bike modes for a recumbent, semi-recumbent, or totally upright experience, opting for the position that suits you best. Completely padded out, the seat adjusts easily to accommodate a range of different heights. Use the performance monitor for keeping an on the time, your speed, distance traveled so far, calories burned, and even an odometer, as well as your pulse rate in real time. A fitness geek's dream come true. Features: belt drive, performance monitor, fully adjustable bike. Thanks for being with M7 throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right best folding exercise bike. Do comment if you have any query, and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.